Welcome students once again in English class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, poem, The Road Not Taken, that is written by Robert Frost. In this poem that is written on a autumn month and describe the poet's journey. Let's start. Now let's start. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where each bent in the undergrowth. Student poet Robert Frost standing in a path of a forest. Yellow wood, autumn season, yellow means autumn, wood means forest. So poet is standing is in front of a forest जहाँ पर two roads diverged हो रही हैं. And the poet come across where the forest divide into two parts. And sorry, I could not travel both. वो बहुत feel करता है and regret that he cannot travel on both the roads. कि वो दोनों roads पर नहीं जा सकता. Be a one traveler long I stood because he is a one individual, one person cannot go on both the road. So poet also can't go on both the roads. So he feel regret. And he looked down as far as he could. और वो वहाँ तक देखने की कोशिश करता है जहाँ तक वो देख सकता है. And he looks down the road as far as he could, where it bent in the undergrowth. जहाँ तक दोनों roads में turn नहीं आ जाता, so as a some distance it turns. So he watched the road carefully and thinking, what should he do now? Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Now poet the look road, watching the road, वो road को देख रहा था. So he was thinking which road should he take. So the poet gives the look to the other road as well. दोनों roads देखता है. So he decide which road he wants to take. उसे decide कर ले वो कौन सी road लेना चाहता है. He took the other road. Second one road he choose, and because having the perhaps the better claim. उसके according इसमें ज़्यादा अच्छा claim है. ये ज़्यादा अच्छी है, ज़्यादा clear है according to poet. Because it was grassy and wanted wear. Because ये किससे भरी हुई है? It was full of grass. According to him, it is wanted wear. Wanted wear, less people go there. कम लोग यहाँ पर चले हुए, कम use हुई है ये. According to the poet. So he chose the road which is grassy and wanted wear, जिसमें कम लोग चले हैं और full of grass है. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really equally the same. If we are thinking both the roads, अगर हम दोनों roads में देखें तो दोनों roads एक ही जैसी हैं, एक ही तरीके से यूज़ हुई हैं, but poet choose second one. Now students, look at the rhyming scheme. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Wood A. Any alphabet start from A. And sorry, I could not travel both. So wood or both different, so B will be given. And be one traveller long I stood. Wood and stood same sounding, so A again. And looked down as far as I could. Student would, stood and could same sounding A. And to where it bent in the undergrowth. So both growth same sounding B. So rhyming scheme of first stanza AB AAB. Students, the entire poem based in same rhyming scheme. And both that morning equally lay. In leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first one for another day, yet knowing how the way leads on its way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Now the poet is thinking, because both the morning equally lay. Morning में दोनों roads बिल्कुल एक जैसी हैं. Morning, both the roads are full of leaves से भरी हुई हैं. and which had not been trodden much by travelers. जिसे trodden means walked over, बहुत कम लोग इस पर चले हुए हैं. अगर आप मॉर्निंग में देखो तो कोई उस पर नहीं चला है. जो लीव्स हैं वो एज इट इज़ फॉल हैं, उन पर कोई भी पर्सन उस पर वॉक नहीं किया है, किसी ने भी उस पर वॉक नहीं किया है. आई केप्ट फर्स्ट फॉर अनदर डे. अ पोएट सोच रहा है कि आई केप्ट फर्स्ट वन फॉर अनदर डे. ही इज़ थिंकिंग कि मैंने पहली रोड को किसी और दिन के लिए छोड़ दिया है. येट नोइंग हाउ वे लीड्स टू इट्स वे. जबकि हम जानते हैं कि एक रास्ता दूसरे को लेकर जाता है. इफ़ वन वे गो वन वे सो अनदर वे विल ऑल्सो कम. एक के बाद हम आगे बढ़ते चले जाते हैं, हम कभी पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखते. बिकॉज अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स इफ़ यू आर क्लास 9 तो यू विल गो 10th 11th 12th, यू विल नॉट डू क्लास 9th अगेन. सो सेम पैटर्न. सो पोएट इज़ थिंकिंग आई डाउट इट इफ़ आई शुड एवर कम बैक. वो सोच रहा है कि वो कभी वापस आ पाएगा, वेदर ही वुड एवर कम बैक टू वॉक अगेन ऑन दिस अदर रोड और नॉट. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. The poet feels that after a long period from how he would telling others with a sigh, उसको पता है काफ़ी टाइम बीतने के बाद उसे दुख होगा. He feel very bad कि he will tell somewhere ages and ages hence. Time flies, टाइम बीत गया. He is telling to someone his story. Two roads diverged in a wood and I took the one less travelled by. वो बताएगा दुख के साथ कि दो रोड्स येलो वुड में जा रही थी और मैंने कौन सी ली, जो कम, that is used by less people. And he is telling other with a sad moment कि what choice he has made, what is his decision. He would tell about his dilemma in making his choice. वो बताएगा कि कैसे उसे कन्फ्यूज़न हो कि कौन सी चॉइस ले अबाउट द टू रोड्स. दैट ही फाइनली चूज टू द वॉक ऑन द लेस ट्रेवल्ड रोड. और वो कौन सी रोड लेता है, दैट इज़ चूजन बाय लेस ट्रेवल्ड, मतलब कम लोगों द्वारा यूज़ की हुई है. ही वुड टेल दिस चॉइस दैट मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस इज लाइफ. वो बताएगा कि उसने ये जो डिसीज़न लिया है उसकी पूरी लाइफ का उसने डिफरेंस गेन कर लिया है. पूरा आपको पता है स्टूडेंट, हम किसी भी बात पे आगे बढ़ जाते हैं तो हमें एक ही बार लेना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू टेक चूज़ एनीथिंग इन एनी डिसीजन वी कैन टेक ओनली वंस इन अ लाइफ. सो बिकॉज वे लीड्स टू द अनदर वे, एक रास्ता दूसरे को लेकर जाता है. सो एवरी टाइम वी शुड टेक आवर डिसीजन केयरफुली. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज़ द मैसेज ऑफ द पोएम एंड रॉबर्ट फ्रोस्ट wants to tell us that in our life we face many different choices. There will be options that is popular with lots of people, an option that the people will not choose. कोई ऑप्शन ऐसा होगा कि बहुत से लोगों ने चूज़ किया होगा और कोई ऐसा होगा कि किसी ने भी नहीं चूज़ किया होगा. But we have to take our decision carefully. Once we have made a decision and our path and therefore our future has been determined. हमने जो रास्ता चूज़ कर लिया उससे ही हमारा फ्यूचर डिटरमाइंड हो जाता है. We cannot go back and change the decision we have made. हम कभी भी बैक नहीं हो सकते. So we should careful regarding to our choice and our decision which we are taking.